Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable floating shutter button on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the camera app. Now after opening the camera app, click on the settings icon. Now here scroll down and click on shooting methods, and here you will see a floating shutter button. So if you want to enable the floating shutter button, then turn on this button, and now the floating shutter button will be enabled. So this is the floating shutter button. And if you want to disable this floating shutter button, then again tap on settings, scroll down and click on shooting methods and turn off this floating shutter button, and now the floating shutter button will be disabled. So that's how you can enable or disable floating shutter button on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.